So continuing, so as I was telling, this phase I am naming it F1. So what I will say, F1 is cutting B axis at 1 unit, where at its negative end, at negative end of B, at negative end of B, or at negative end only we can say, and parallel to A and C, parallel to A and C. So what will be the parameter here for this phase? For this phase, what will be the parameter? The phase parameter for the phase, parameter means weiss parameter, right? Parameter for the phase is what? It is cutting B at minus 1. It is unit distance, but at negative direction. So that is minus 1, right? It is cutting A at infinity distance, because it is parallel to A, that means that is infinity. So that will be infinity. The first position is always A, the first position is always A, so that is infinity. The B is unit distance at negative end, so you can write minus 1, you can write minus 1, and it is cutting C at infinity, because it is parallel to C, it is again cutting C at infinity. This is for B, this is for C. These are weiss parameter for this phase F1. If we will go for Miller indices, then what will be the phase symbol of that? Miller indices means phase symbol, we can say for infinity, that is 1 by infinity, then 1 by minus 1, then 1 by infinity. So that will become 0, minus 1, 0. Okay, 0, minus 1, 0, or not minus 1, not. Instead of minus 1, we will write it as 0, 1 bar 0. 0, 1 bar 0. This 1 bar means what? This is negative distance. This is negative unit. This is negative direction. It is cutting B, but not at its positive end. That means not at right. It is cutting B at left, negative end. So 0, minus 1, 0. 0, 1 bar 0. Okay. This is the Miller indices for this phase, or this is the phase symbol of this phase. 0, 1 bar 0. Okay. Okay, so this is all about your parameter and indices. Then we will consider for zone and all. I'll discuss regarding phase, what is zone, what is axis. Okay, thank you.